Hey YouTube, it's Laura here with Little Lights by Laura, and I thought I would hop on here tonight and show you guys how I apply my heat transfer vinyl to t-shirts. So first and foremost, I use the Power Heat Press. You can find it on Amazon, and I will try and link it below for you. And then the second thing I do is when I purchased mine, it came with a Teflon sheet, but I also ordered a backup just in case. I just purchased some little strong magnets and have them all the way around the top so that I don't have to ever worry about it moving or shifting on me. Then the next thing I do is I take my t-shirt and I fold it in half. I just line up the the seams on the shoulder here so that they're as close as possible basically. And then I just press it quickly just to create enough of an indentation. I use a seam gauge. It looks like this. You can get it at Joann Fabrics, but this is so nice because this little slider moves and it'll allow you to kind of mark your neckline. This particular design I'm doing is like a mermaid fin. So what I want to do is I'm going to fold it in half and kind of match up the fins, and I'm just kind of going to lightly press on the carrier sheet to mark my carrier sheet for the middle. So can you see how I have that crease there now? So now I'm able to take this crease and kind of line it up with the crease I already made in my shirt. Next part, it says Mermom. So again, I'm just gonna kind of fold it in half, kind of make the mark, and there you go. See that? Lined it up here, and now I know for a fact that I'm going to be pressing these separately, and I'll explain why in a second, but I just wanted to get everything lined up first just to make sure that I liked how it all looked. Pressing at 305 degrees for 15 seconds. The bottom of this, and you'll see that the fin is staying intact, but I'm gonna do this so that I can move my word and let it overlap my fin right where I want it. And my mark is still here. I can still see my center seam. I can still see my crease in my word as well. Okay, and then see, that worked fine, so that's good. Now on your final press, you want to actually lock the heat press down. So there you go, finished product. Super easy. You guys don't be intimidated by heat transfer vinyl. It is seriously so simple. I hope you guys love this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to comment below if you need more tutorials. I'm happy to help.